Hey, Cordell Davenport here, founder of Small Apartment Inspector. And Small Apartment Inspector is a mobile app that does inspections for maintenance as well as physical property. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is the importance of having annual safety and maintenance inspections. This is the website, smallapartmentinspector.com, for you to find more information about the mobile app that I've created. Helps you find evidence and document facts. Here are some of the highlights of checklists that it brings. Exterior checklist, preventive maintenance, questionnaires, move in, move out requests, checklists with photos, with signatures, make unit ready checklists, yearly unit checklists. So go to the website, Small Apartment Inspector, read about it, sign up if you're interested, free trial. And also I have another website. Once you go on that website, Small Apartment Inspector, you're going to be landed on Small Apartment Investors. There's a lot of videos and other things I've created. A lot of self-improvement stuff as well. So check me out. All right, now back to the subject at hand about what's the importance of annual safety and maintenance inspections. Okay, checklist. Performing annual safety and maintenance inspections is important. Why? Because you limit surprises. Having checklists are essential. Looking at heating, plumbing systems issues, major appliances, make sure that things are in working order. And if a problem does develop in one of these, and if it causes an injury to a tenant, you can show that you are not negligent because you perform inspections and you have checklists that you follow, that is. All right, lawsuits. You are the one that's responsible to keeping the premises safe. If not, you can be slapped with lawsuits all day long. And if you are negligent, you can possibly be responsible for injuries caused by things that happen on your property. We all know, like living in America, we can get sued for virtually anything. Anything. Person can sue you. But it's not just the tenants. I mean, well, it is the tenants, because they can sue for a variety of things, from like medical bills, lost earnings, pain and suffering. Now, if a tenant is injured and at your property and they sue you, you have to convince the judge that, you did things properly. You have a clean property, you have safe accommodations. And of course, I'm not a lawyer, just FYI, talk to your legal representative. Some of the stuff is just common sense, but some of it is so common that it gets neglected. So try to be on point with how you operate your property. It is your responsibility. Now, it's all about looking at how much control did you have over a certain situation. And it's up to you to identify and correct potential dangerous situations before things happen. You have to be proactive. And if you fail to make repairs or do a faulty job, you can be held responsible. If an accident happened and it's foreseeable and you did nothing, you can be responsible. So just be aware of all that stuff. Don't let accidents happen. Do not. You can put up warning signs, caution tape, things like that. Just be careful. You must show that you have lived up to your standards and show that your duty as an owner is that you have taken proper care in proving that your property is safe and secure. And you do that by having checklists, as I talked about earlier. All right. Well, that's it. Check out smallapartmentinspector.com. Hope you have a great day.